Hi, thank you so much for coming in this page, and if you are watching in this video, then give me just 5 minutes, and in 5 minutes we are going to explain how you can grow your local business to 10x. I will show you why a lot of businesses using digital marketing and they get exponential growth and some businesses are not using. For examples, recently our laptop have a screen was damaged, and I was going on internet and searching MacBook screen replacement cost, and once I searched, then I got this website called just a second. It's called Lappy Maker. I don't know about the website. I don't know how his services and how I don't know about the cost, but the website show everything. Look, MacBook Air screen replacement cost in Delhi, India, and screen replacement cost and location, call number, Gmails, working hours, and everything in one dashboard. So no matter what businesses you have, for example, you have a gym owner, you are an advocate, you are a doctor, you are a lawyer, you are yoga expert, and you have beauty salons, and you have doctors who selling your own goods and services, then you must have a website. For examples, if you don't have a website, you are losing 70% revenue. You're spending a lot of money in your shop, design your store, maybe lakhs and crores, but you don't have a digital home. Then how people contact you? For example, my screen damage, I just visit on this website and I get services, and services are amazing. No matter if you are providing a best services, you're selling a good product, you high quality cloth, high quality services, but if someone's searching on internet and you don't have a website, you don't have any funnels, you don't do any marketing, then how people contact you? So your money you spend it to design your store, you spend it to buying a backend, raw materials, useless. So my recommendation, you must have a website. By the way, if you don't know about me, my name is Subhash Yadav, and I am supporting local businesses to building website, funnels, and doing a marketing from the last 7 years, and I help thousands of businesses who got a lot of successful at exponential growth. This time we want to help you because world is changing and you must have a website and marketing gurus. So if you want to build your website to your business, then I have putting my WhatsApp number on the below. Just click on the button below, green button below, and you can contact me on WhatsApp, and you just text, hey, I want to design I want website for my business and I want marketing plan my business. Me and my team sitting with you and understanding your business. After then we will design a business according your need. And once your website is ready, we will doing a marketing in your local areas, and in 5 kilometer and 10 kilometer areas, we will promote your businesses. And if you are not getting any clients, any customers, you're just thinking I lost my business. No. Once you have a website, once you do marketing, a lot of people's coming to your store, coming to your shop, and you cannot handle the customers. Yes, it is true, because we have done a lot of businesses already. So don't do late, and we are not charging a lot of fee. We charging minimal fee, that your profit, also my profit, also customers profit. Okay, so WhatsApp link in the below, and click on that and we meet inside.